Arey, namaste, madam. Namaste.
The very cute terracotta Ganeshas for gifting purpose. So once I wanted to make a baby statue with the expression, okay, planter and pen holder, multiple utility holders. So all these are unique ones, handmade ones, bigger size, pots also, something like this. So we have created a new designs, attractive. This can be used as a corporate giftings also.
Hi.
Hello.
Let me introduce to you Krishna. He's an artist. He creates artifacts, and this is an owl. And I'll show you around his factory. Like, he creates a lot of unique materials that are made with mud or earth material.
Welcome to our pottery studio. This is in the Art of Living International Center, Bangalore, and we make this kind of a creative terracotta pots actually. So this is planter and pen holder, multiple utility holders. So you can use it indoor, outdoor, and all. So these are the creative stuffs we are making, and we have a bigger size, pots also, something like this. And these are all unfired. So after firing, they'll become reddish. So this is natural, and we color only the eye part. Rest everything will be as it is. So usually people used to use simple plain pots earlier days, something like this, right? So we have created a new designs, attractive. This can be used as a corporate giftings also. So all these are unique ones, handmade ones. Like there are all different characters. Some are like pepper holders, pepper and salt holder, and there are some characters. And each and everything is designed by hands. No molds, no tools, no machineries are used. So we have to make a basic shape and create all the designs. So these are the designs. I make it in the software. So to create that idea and patterns and all, and then taking that reference, we make it. And few are colored like this, so that they look attractive. And few Ganeshas also we make like this. The very cute terracotta Ganeshas for gifting purpose. So these are the molds we use to create all the spots. So the method what we use is called slip casting. So we make a clay slip and then pour it in between these two molds. These are the separate molds. We bring it together and keep it on this plate, and we pour the clay and then take out. So they become a pot. So they become like this. So we have molds for each and every design. We have so many designs. So we have molds for each and every design. In a day we can make only one pot from one mold. It's a long process. And we even make a Ganeshas like this for Ganesh Chaturthi. And this is a orchid pot. So this is a plant called orchid. It needs a lot of air in the root. So we have to make a pot with the holes. So we came up with a creative design. So this is the orchid pot, turtle orchid pot. So once I wanted to make a baby statue with the expression, okay. So I started with a simple baby statue, and I wanted to give a very unique expression. So I wanted to capture that the moment about to cry, the baby is about to cry moment. So somehow made it. So it came out good. This is completely a clay, solid clay. So these are the tulsi pots we make. They're very creative and decorative. Simple one. And this is the furnace where we fire all the pots. We load here and we fire.
Okay.
They look like this.
he is Aryan and she is Candy. Aryan, namaste madam. Namaste, namaste. Neatag madam, namaste madam. Bye. Namaste madam.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾಗ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. Fine. So these are my pets. So we play a lot. You cannot catch us, no?
So during my gap year, I volunteered with Art of Living to build a natural house, and this was the house that we built in 45 days. And Gilly Metti from Uttarakhand came to do the project. I'll share their details and what they have done in the description. You can reach out to Krishna if you want to buy these artistic earth-based pottery, and I've shared all the details in the description.